Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys, R3 Pros Panera P here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to stream on Twitch, on YouTube, on Mixer, or record videos on your Xbox without using a capture card, or without using streaming to Mixer and then streaming from your phone to Streamlabs OBS. That works, but you get a high increase of ping when you stream on Mixer, and this is a much more efficient way. But this only works for Windows 10 users and Xbox users. Sorry PlayStation users and sorry Mac users. I don't know if this will work on bootcamp for you Mac users, but you guys will have to test that out yourself. So I have my Xbox on. You guys can't see it. I'll just start a recording on my Xbox to show you. Okay, so I have my Xbox on right now. Sorry, but it doesn't allow me to record what's happening on my Xbox while I'm streaming. So you'll still see the stream on my monitor. This is not like a YouTube stream. This is an Xbox stream where I connect my Xbox to my computer. So this is essentially what that does. So step 1 is connecting the Xbox to your computer, and step 2 is using any streaming or recording software to record your gameplay. So first, what you want to do is go to your taskbar on the bottom right. So you go to your taskbar, you search up Xbox. Then something called Xbox Console Companion will show up. This is a built-in software or app that Windows 10 users have that is integrated into their computer. So you want to click on that. What you want to do next is wait for it to load, of course. Let's see. Come on. I'm gonna just restart it quickly. Remember to click search up Xbox and find the Xbox Console Companion. Oh, there we go. It's starting to load. After your Console Companion has loaded, what you want to do is go to the left taskbar and click this Xbox looking thing. You want to click that, and you have to be on the same internet as your Xbox, your laptop does. So after you do that, you want to click on your Xbox. So as you can see, my Xbox One popped up. So you want to click that, and then now I'm connected to my Xbox. After I'm done that, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna quickly end the recording on my Xbox. So stop recording. There we go. Now, what I want to do is click stream. And essentially, what that does, it connects my Xbox. It's like a screen mirroring. Like, you know how you have an Apple phone or an Apple TV? You screen mirror your phone to the TV. This is essentially the same thing, but it's with an Xbox and a laptop. After you've done this with your Xbox and laptop, all you want to do is open any streaming software or recording software, and I'm gonna bring up my OBS here on the monitor for you guys to look. Okay, so you essentially can just start your recording, close out your OBS, and then go back to your companion, and your recording will be on. I can move around, do all that stuff. As you can see, I'm not using a capture card because it's saying streaming from Xbox One, and yeah. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to set up your OBS. So what you want to do is go to your OBS, of course. So I already have a display capture. Suppose this is my monitor that I'm showing you now. Suppose I want to show my laptop, then I can go click the plus in the bottom. I can go to display capture. So I'm just gonna name it display capture 2. Click OK. And then this is my laptop. So I'm gonna click OK. So right now my laptop is being projected to OBS. So I am just gonna remove this. And then remove. And then yes, so now my monitor is back. So now I'm gonna go back here and I'm going to show you the stream. So now so this is like essentially what you have to do. I'm gonna show you a clip of me playing Arena Heroes when I was using this method. So, oh yeah, also another thing that you want to do before you start recording is go to the settings in the right of your OBS Studio. Then you want to go to output. Then you want to go down to see your recording. Your recording path, you have to check that. You have to see where your recordings are going to so you can find them. This is one problem that I had in the beginning because I didn't know where my recordings were going. It never popped up after I finished. So I found in output it shows you where it is. So you want to, after that you close that. I'm going to bring in my files folder in here. So what you want to do is, so it said my recordings are in my C drive in videos. So I want to go to my videos, and then this is some arena gameplay that I played with R3 Pros, Viper, and Shoozy25. So I'm just gonna quickly move this. 1 second. Just move this here, and here we go. This is some Arena Trios gameplay for you guys.
Okay, yeah, I'm back.
That's me. I'm just gonna mute this volume for now. Okay, so as you can see, the gameplay volume is pretty good. Or not volume, the quality is pretty good. You don't need too good of a laptop. Like my laptop that I'm using, I got it from my school, and this is not meant for gaming. And look at the quality, it's still really good. So as you can see, the quality is really good, and I promise you guys, this is not clickbait, because as you can see in the top right, in the top and in the bottom, you can see my taskbar, all of my tabs that I have open, and then on the top it says Xbox console companion. Of course, you can take those out when you are streaming so that you have no distractions. But essentially, this is how you stream without a capture card in the most efficient way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below on any suggestions, and tell us if you like this tutorial. Slap that notification bell.